Are you ready to ace your next software developer interview? Let's dive into the top 10 behavioral questions you might face. Question 1. Tell me about yourself. This question gauges your communication skills and self-awareness. Sample answer: I'm a software developer with 3 years of experience building scalable backend systems in Python and Java. I love solving performance problems and recently optimized our API latency by 40%. Next up is, describe a challenging bug you fixed. Interviewers look for problem-solving skills and persistence here. Sample answer: our microservice was crashing randomly. I isolated a race condition with logging tools and implemented thread-safe locking. Question 3. Tell me about a time you disagreed with your manager or team. This shows communication and collaboration. Sample answer: I disagreed on prioritizing a feature over a performance fix. By sharing user impact data, we found a solution together. Now, how do you handle tight deadlines? This question emphasizes time management. Sample answer: I break the work into deliverables, focus on critical items, and communicate progress daily to stay transparent. Question 5. Describe a time you learned a new technology quickly. This tests your adaptability. Sample answer: I learned React in 2 weeks for a project by following a crash course and building an app daily. Question 6. Tell me about a time you improved team performance. This showcases your leadership skills. Sample answer: I implemented a branching strategy and pre-commit hooks to reduce merge conflicts and boost productivity. Next, describe a situation where you made a mistake. This highlights accountability. Sample answer: I deployed without a full test suite. I owned up, rolled back, and created a pre-deploy checklist to avoid repeats. How do you handle feedback? This question explores your emotional intelligence. Sample answer: I see feedback as a chance to improve. I adopted coding standards and peer reviews for better quality. Question 9. Tell me about a time you worked with non-technical stakeholders. This assesses your empathy. Sample answer: I partnered with a marketing manager to build analytics dashboards, translating their goals into clear data requirements. Lastly, what are you most proud of in your career? This question reveals your motivations. Sample answer: I'm proud of mentoring 2 interns who now work full-time on our team. It's about growth and people. Master your next software developer interview with these hot tips. Subscribe for more behavioral and technical interview insights.